How to kick someone out of your Roblox private server. So if you want to kick someone out of your Roblox private server, then what you need to do is you just need simply search for Roblox. If you have the application, you can go with the application itself, and you need to just go with a game, any game that you're comfortable with. Now go with play, but you need to have the application, so you can just open up your application. Launch your application and then go with the game. And once you're here on the game, you need to just go with your server. So you just need to simply go with the upper left, which has your server section. You need to go with your private server, or you can just simply go with the three dots, which will be on the top right of your game, and you will have a manage access section. You can just go with your Roblox icon, which is right here. Click on it, and here you may have manage access section, so you just need to simply go with manage access. This action will take you to the server configuration page. You'll find the player list. It displays all of the players currently in your private server. Locate the player you want to remove from your private server within the player list. Click on their name, look for an option such as kick from server or something similar, and select it to remove the player from the server. Keep that in mind that you need to be the owner of the server to execute this action. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to kick or remove a player from your Roblox. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.